नमस्कार, माझे नाव सौ निशा निकम. माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचे सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे आणि माझ्या चॅनलचे नाव आहे एन स्क्वेअर. क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट सायन्स. एक्सरसाइज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्स अँड मायक्रोब्स. Question 1. Use Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes. Answer. Robert Whittaker classified living organisms into 5 groups: Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. According to this classification, bacteria and blue-green algae are included in kingdom Monera. Protozoans are included in kingdom Protista. Heterotrophic fungi are included in kingdom Fungi. Prokaryotic microbes like bacteria are included in kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic microbes like protozoa, fungi and algae are included in kingdom Protista. Question 2. Complete the 5 kingdom method of classification using living organism, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animals, plants and fungi. Living organisms are divided into 2 groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes divided in 1 group, unicellular. Eukaryotes divided into 2 groups, unicellular and multicellular. Kingdom Monera included in prokaryotes. Kingdom Protista included in eukaryotes. Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia included in eukaryotes. 3. Find out my partner. Group A and B. Fungi, Candida, Protozoa, Amoeba, Virus, Bacteriophage, Algae, Chlorella. Bacteria, Prokaryotic. Question 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statement. A. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. False. Lactobacilli are useful bacteria. B. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. True. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. C. Organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. True. Organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. D. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. True. Tomato wilt is a viral disease caused by plant virus. Hence, it is classified as viral disease. Question 5. Give answers. A. State the merits of Whittaker method of classification. First, prokaryotes different from all other living organisms in their cellular structure. 2. Unicellular and multicellular organisms are kept separate. 3. Autotrophs and heterotrophs are placed in separate groups. 4. 5 kingdom classification is more natural than 2 kingdom classification. 5th, 5 kingdom classification is based on biocomposition and mode of nutrition, thus it shows series of evaluation. Give answers. B. Write the characteristics of viruses. First, generally viruses are not considered as living organisms, or they are said to be organisms at the age of living and non-living. They are studied under microbiology. Second, Viruses are extremely minute, that means they are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and can be seen only with electron microscope. Third, they are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA, means deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid, covered by a protein coat. Fourth, viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with help of host cell and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. These free viruses again infect new cells. Fifth, viruses cause many diseases to plants and animals. Give answer. C. Explain the nutrition in fungi. First, these are non-green, eukaryotic, heterotrophic organisms. 2. Due to the absence of chlorophyll, they can't synthesize their food by photosynthesis. 3. Fungi feed on dead decaying organic matter and absorb nutrients, so it is mode of nutrition. Give answers. D. Which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? First, Clostridium tetani. Second, Streptococcus pneumoniae. Legionella pneumoniae. Fourth, Salmonella typhi. Fifth, Clostridium botulinum. Sixth, Staphylococcus aureus. 7. Treponema pallidum. 8. Vibrio cholerae, etc. Question 6. Who am I? First, I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles or plasma membrane. Answer. Prokaryotic. 2. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Protista, fungi, etc. Third, I live on decaying organic matter. Answer. Fungi. Fourth, I reproduce mainly by cell division. Answer. Prokaryotes. Fifth, I can produce my replica. Viruses. Sixth, I am green but don't have organs. Algae. Question 7. Draw neat and label diagrams. A. Different types of bacteria. Second diagram, Paramecium. Third diagram, Bacteriophage. Question 8. Arrange the following in ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae. And answer is viruses, bacteria, fungi, algae. होमवर्क आहे राईट ऑल एक्सरसाइज. तुम्हाला माझा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.